How to add pods on Amazon via flat file? How we can update the pods on Amazon using the flat file, and what are the requirements? We will discuss this thing in detail. First thing you need to check, the first requirement that should meet is that your account should be professional. Because if your account is individual, then you cannot list your pod via flat file. And to check that your account is professional or not, you can just go to a setting and then account info. And on this page, scroll down, you will see here, this is the professional account, seller account. In professional account only, we can add the pods we upload. In individual account, we cannot upload the file. We cannot list the pods via flat file. So what you need to do when you are going to list your pods with the flat file, mostly when we have more pods than 3 or 5, or sometimes we have 500 pods and we want to list them on Amazon. So it is very difficult for us to list one by one. So we just use flat file option of Amazon Seller Central, which is very helpful. We just add the parts information in that flat file, and we just upload that flat file in our Amazon Seller Central to list the parts. This is the tab. You have to go inventory, and then you have to click on add parts we upload. Okay, after clicking on this, you will see this page. You have to go to download an inventory file and select the category of your pod. You can also select the category of your pod manually, and also you can just write your pod name here to select the category, BTG, browser tree guide. So if you write your pod name here, for example, I'm going to list car mats. Amazon will suggest the category BTG. So for example, this is my browser tree guide category for my pod. So I will just select from here, and then you will scroll down, and now from here you just need to select the market where you want to list your pod. If you will check all these markets, and you will download the flat file, and you will put the information, and when you will upload that flat file to your Amazon Seller Central, in all these markets your pods will be listed. So for now, I just want to list my pod in Amazon.com. So I will remove from all of these, and then you need to scroll down. And also from here, you have two options: custom and advanced. In advanced, Amazon will give you the flat file with complete information. And if you just want to make some changes in the existing listings, then you can just add the portions for the flat file from here. So for now, I'm going to download the flat file with the complete information. So just click on generate template. Here is the flat file. In this flat file, now you can put all the information related to your pod. Doesn't matter you are going to list one pod or 1,000 pods. You just have to put the data of the pod. If you are going to list the pods with the UPC, you just need to write the UPC, title, bullet point, and description. And if you are going to list your pods without UPC, then you can just leave the portion of brand name with generic, and you can just keep empty the portion of UPC. So from here, you can also check few examples if you want to, that how you have to write the SKU, the title, and the standard part ID, which is also called UPC or GTIN, and part type. So, and after that, you have to go to template, and here you have to put the information data of your pod. So for now, I am just going to list one pod to just teach you. If you are going to list 500 or 5,000 pods, doesn't matter. You can just put the data of all pods here, and then you can upload. So first tab we have is the product type. You just have to click on this arrow and then click on it. And the item SKU, you can keep the item SKU. It's up to you. If you will put item SKU by yourself, fine. Otherwise, Amazon will allot SKU to your pod. So for now, I am just going to put SKU like car mat 78, and then here the brand name. If you have the UPC for the pod, you can write here the brand name, and if you have also the brand approval from Amazon, you can write your brand name. If you don't have the product ID and you don't have the brand registry or brand approval on Amazon, then you can just keep these two portions empty, because if you're going to list your part with generic without UPC and you don't have the brand approval, you can keep these two empty. And then part IT type also. Here you have to write the part name, which is also known as a title of the part. And I have the title, so I will just copy the title and I will paste it here. Here you have to write the manufacturer who is manufacturing the part. So I will just copy the manufacturer name. And here you can paste the manufacturer name. After that, the part number, definitely you can put some part number here. For example, I will put CarMat 78, same as the SKU. It's up to you. You can also change it. Item type. So just click on the arrow and car floor mats. Unit count. You can put here the units. For example, these are 3 units. Unit count type, so count. Here you have to write the standard price on which you want to sell your part. For example, I want to sell this part in $190 and quantity. How many items do you have in your warehouse that you want to sell? So I have 34 units for now. And item condition, definitely new. If it is used, you can just select from here used or use like new. This is up to you. Image URL. Here you have to put the URL of your image. For the URL of the image, you can use different websites we have. For example, you can use imgur.com. On this website, you just have to click on new post, and then you have to upload your image here. Just wait a second. Choose photo. For example, this is the image of my part. For example, just to teach you. So just click on the image and then click on here, grab link, copy link, and you can use this link now here. When you will upload this flat file, Amazon automatically will put this image as an your main image. So this is the way that how you can add the images to your flat files. And also in this other image URL1, URL2, you can add other images also here. If your part have the variations, you can also add the variations from here. You can just select if this is a parent, you can select this is a parent, and the other SKUs are child, you can just select from here the child, or you can just also write here the child. So for now, my part do not have any variation, so I'm just going to list this in a straight way. For the very first time, when you are going to list your part, then you just have to click on update. And for example, if you are going to make some changes in the existing listing, then you have to click on partial update. And here you can write the part description, your part description that you have. You can just copy your part description if you already have with you. Just copy the description and paste that description here. And here you have to write the model of your part exemption reason. If you're going to list your part with GTN exemption with generic. And here you can write the color of your part. For example, my part with the color blue, so I will write this the color blue. And also you can select from here the color map, it's blue. Here you can write the bullet points of your part, the bullet point number one, the bullet point number 2, and the bullet point number 3, and the bullet point number 4, and you can add 5 bullet points from here. And also in this you can add your search term keywords. that you can use in your flat file, which are also called the backend keywords. So you can just write here the keywords like car mats or all the keywords that are related to your pod and have the high search volume. And keep other things empty for now. Additional features, if you can add the additional feature 1, 2, and 3, and also the size of your pod here. These all informations are not necessary. If you can put information, your pod will be visible to more customers, but mostly people when they add their pods, if via flat file, they just want to update the listings. So mostly those people who want to whose pods have a lot of variations, and some sellers who have 500 pods, they use this flat file to upload their pods. From here, you can select the size of your pod. It's medium, it's small, or it's large. So for now, I'm going with the medium. And from here, you can add the units. For example, it's in millimeters, item length, item height, and item width. You can add here. If your pod containing the liquid, so you can just add here the liquid volume and the unit of the liquid. Fulfillment ID, you can select from here that if you want to upload this pod for FBM, so you will just click on default. And if you want to upload this flat file as an FBA, means Amazon will fulfill your orders, then you will click on Amazon/NA. And here you can write the package length, height, Meyers, units, and package width, unit of Meyers, and package height and package width, and the units also. If your pod containing any battery content, so you can just write down here the battery composition and the battery weight and the volume and everything that is used in battery. And also in Capacia warning, you can select if your pod have some warning. Otherwise, you can just click on no warning applicable. Then scroll toward your here. Here you can put the package quantity, that how many units the customer will receive after order, and the currency. For now, because we just selected for .com, so they will never show any US or Canadian dollar here. So the file is already for the .com market. Here you can put the list price. If you want to start sale on your pod, you can put sale price here, and the sale starting date and the sale ending date also here. Offer condition note, if you want to add, you can add here. And here we go. And then after putting all the data related to your pod, you just have to save this file, and then you just have to go to your Amazon account again. And now you have to click on upload your inventory file that you have updated with your pod data. After this, just click on browse file, and this is the file that we have created. And here you can write your email on which Amazon will send you the notification that your pod have been added via flight file, and then you will click on upload file. After this, in upload status, it will show you that upload status in progress. If your file is less than 5 MB, then it will take less time. Otherwise, if your file containing 500 pods, 1000, for example, 10,000 pods, or how many pods it contains, doesn't matter. It will take more time then. So after some time, we will just come here and we will just refresh the page, and you will see that it will show that your pod have been uploaded successfully. And if it have some file have some errors, the errors will also be visible here. So this is the complete way and step by step that how you can add your pod via flat file, and how you can upload your inventory to Amazon using the flat file.